The Red One system is the rapid and easy solution to detect and count microorganisms in contaminated samples. Once you switch it on, the Red One system is ready to use. No calibration is required. It can analyze a sample simply dropped on the cap. The cap is protected by a sterile seal, which is removed before use. Drop the sample directly on the cap, close the drawer, and it's done. The sample is automatically filtered and is now ready for analysis. Analysis is launched with one click from the easy-to-use software, which also allows traceability of results. The staining agent, a fluorophore, is automatically injected in the cap without any manual action. It reacts with microorganisms and generates fluorescence. Fluorescence reveals the presence of microorganisms over time. Based on the fluorescent signal analysis, the Red One system reliably detects microorganisms and delivers a quantitative result within a few minutes. Results can be exported for tracking to ensure full traceability. The Red One system fits easily in a laminar flow hood. A sample can also be filtered on a remote device, from 1 milliliter to 250 milliliters. Easy, reliable, precise. The Red One system. Learn more at www.redberry.net.